Hi, I'm Mark Wethington, Director of the J.C. Ralston Arboretum at North Carolina State University, and this is Homegrown in the Garden. I'm in the Lath House today where we have this beautiful dappled shade to talk about one of the best plants for shade, and that's ferns. Ferns as a group are wonderful in the garden. They provide great texture. Depending on the type, they can provide color, they can adapt to difficult spots, and best of all, they're deer-proof. Deer do not eat ferns, and that's a key reason to grow them in the garden because we all seem to have problems with deer. This one is one of my favorites. It's a Maidenhair Fern. This fern grows from very cold temperate areas down really into the tropics, so it's very adaptable in the garden. It spreads to form nice patches. It has really beautiful spring green color all through the season on these thin black stems, which is how it gets the name Maidenhair Fern. It's beautiful for adding that kind of fine ferny texture underneath bigger boulder shade plants like hydrangea and with hosta. Other ferns like Japanese painted ferns are clumping ferns. They won't spread, and you can get a lot of great color with Japanese painted ferns, silvers and burgundies, which really pop in a shade garden. If you don't want this fine texture of the ferns, you can get some bolder textured ferns like the pyrosias or deer tongue ferns, which have broad, almost thick cardboard-like fronds that will slowly spread. The key to growing the pyrosias, which some people think are difficult, is to plant them on a bit of a slope. They don't like to grow flat. They naturally grow on logs and trees and rocks. So if you give them a bit of a slope, it really helps them out. And they'll be quite beautiful and evergreen in the garden. I hope you'll come out and visit us at the Arboretum. If you'd like to know more about what we do here, you can go to our website where you'll find lots of photographs, information on how to find us, and a whole lot of other useful information. This is Mark Wethington at the J.C. Ralston Arboretum for Homegrown in the Garden.